दोस्तों, मेरा नाम प्रताप साहू है और हमारे चैनल लर्निंग एकेडमी में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। तो चलो दोस्तों, वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। लेकिन इससे पहले मैं बता दूं कि अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाले सारे लेटेस्ट अपडेट की खबर आप तक पहुँचते रहे। चलो दोस्तों, वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। तो दोस्तों, आज हम शुरू करने वाले हैं फिजिक्स के चैप्टर 1 के रिवीजन क्लासेस। तो हम बात करेंगे ऑप्टिक्स, जो कि क्लास 12 और 10 दोनों में है। तो आज हम बात करते हैं रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, जो कि ऑप्टिक का एक हिस्सा है, और उसमें हम पढ़ेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ ऑप्टिक्स के बारे में। टाइप्स ऑफ ऑप्टिक्स में पहला है अपना रे ऑप्टिक्स और दूसरा है वेव ऑप्टिक्स। तो हम डेफिनेशन की बात करते हैं अगर, तो दोज फिनोमिना इन विच light is assumed as made of rays and travel in a straight line known as wave optics. And second, those phenomena in which light is assumed as made of wave and travel from one point to another in the form of wave known as wave optics. The topic of this chapter is reflection of light. Now, question arising, what is reflection of light? So, the phenomenon of bouncing back of in the same medium when light is incident on a polished surface, known as reflection of light. Now, type of reflection, there are having two type of reflection. First one is given regular reflection. Now, what is regular reflection? It takes place when a beam of light falls on a smooth surface. Example given, plane mirror. Second is irregular reflection. It takes place when a beam of light falls on a rough surface. Example given, walls, newspaper. Now we will discuss about kind of mirror. There are having two kind of mirror. First is plane mirror and second is spherical mirror. Now question arising, what is plane mirror? So here given the reflecting surface of this mirror is plane, means when we talk about the plane mirror, then we get that the mirror which used in this plane mirror is that type whose reflecting surface is plane, whereas for spherical mirror its reflecting surface is spherical. Now we discuss about type of spherical mirror. There are having two type of spherical mirror. First is concave, and definition is given a spherical mirror in which outer surface is polished and the reflection of light takes place from the inner surface. Means suppose this is a one sphere. When we erase its outer part, means this part will not remain. Okay, this part we rub it completely. Now we get this type of shape, and this is her inner part and this is her outer part. Okay, this is her outer part. It is what type of mirror? It is concave mirror. Now we discuss about convex mirror. Here definition is given a spherical mirror in which the inner surface is polished and the reflection of light occurs at outer surface is called a convex mirror. Means when we take one sphere and erase this portion, okay, this portion get completely erased. It will not remain. It get completely rough. This type of shape, this shape is known as convex mirror, and here given a spherical mirror in which the inner surface is polished, means its inner surface, this portion will get polished, and light which is coming will reflect from its outer portion, means the light which come, the ray which come, it reflect from its outer portion, Which type of mirror it is? It is convex mirror. Okay, now we are going to discuss about image formation by concave mirror. We will take 5 different position and try to find out its nature, position as well as the size. So we will start. Suppose this is our concave mirror. Let me take its principal axis. This line is known as principal axis. This point is known as focus. This point is known as center of curvature. And so before we went for image formation, let us discuss 3 rules used during image formation. That is, when some rays coming parallel to principal axis, it pass through focus after reflection. Okay, any rays coming parallel to principal axis, it will pass through focus after reflection. This is the first rule. Now we will discuss about second rule. Any rays passing through focus after reflection from a mirror passes parallel to principal axis. Any rays passing through focus after reflection from mirror passes parallel to principal axis. This is the second rule. Third rule is, any rays passing from center of curvature and after reflection from a mirror, it will reflect it from the same part as it come. Means this rays has come now it will reflect. This rays has come from this direction. Now after reflection from mirror, it pass from the same direction. This is the third